guys! Welcome to my channel, Clayulene. And for today's video, I'm gonna unboxing my first ever gift that I got it from my Uncle and Auntie Joyce and Uncle Tito all the way from New Jersey. And buksan po natin. Mahirap. Struggle is real. Sorry, wala akong nakitang cutter. Kaya, ito na lang muna. Oo, matagal. Tagal magbukas ng regalo. Uy. Banana Republic 3 bag, paper bag. Christmas. Merry Christmas, Uncle and Auntie. Thank you. Daming. Oh. Ay, ang ganda, mga besh. Maganda siya. Para sa nalalapit na winter. Oh. Dalawa siya. Dalawang box. Oh, para kay to my sister, Leia Amor, from Uncle Tito and Auntie Joyce. Oh, hindi ka nakalimutan. Oh, akala mo nakalimutan ka nila. Meron ka. Oh, ba? Meron din ako fan. Wow! Signature brand pa naman, besh. Wow naman. Ay, ang cute. Thank you po, Red. Pampaswerte. Hindi naman kaya. Wow, pistachio. To Mr. and Mrs. Bert Peralta from Uncle Tito and Auntie Joyce. Aba, thank you very much po. Magugustuhan po nila to ni na Mommy at Daddy. Thank you. Thank you po ulit, Uncle Tito and Auntie Joyce. Unboxing for today, and please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you. Ingat lagi.